There might be certain things that you're eating at night that could actually accelerate your risk for a heart attack or a stroke the next morning, and you're not even aware of them. There are actually some things you can drink or eat at night before going to bed that could basically eliminate the risk of having a heart or a stroke the next day during the morning. But what are they? How do you drink them, or how do you take them every single night to prevent this terrible health condition? Remember that most of the strokes and heart attacks that occur in the world happen after we wake up every morning. Why does this happen? Why is this an issue? And how can you prevent it with exactly the opposite of what you're drinking or eating before going to bed? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. Not many people realize that what we eat at night before going to bed has a direct impact on circulation. It has a direct impact on the formation of blood clots that may even cause the next morning a heart attack or a stroke. How does this work, and why is this happening? Well, when you're sleeping at night, remember, you're not having any physical activity. You're not moving all the time. Your blood is on a specific level, let's say, just moving with the necessary movement inside your system. And this might even cause some type of sediment in your arteries and veins, maybe small blood clots. And these are the ones that put you at risk right after you wake up every single morning. You start waking up, you move during the day, and these small blood clots start to appear and to form a health condition. Maybe a stroke, maybe a heart attack, maybe you're feeling the symptoms, and something you could have done last night before going to bed could actually save your life. If you do it every day, this could actually eliminate the excess of sugar, of cholesterol, of triglycerides that are the ones that are going to form these blood clots the next morning. What are they? That is the great question. But before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. So go ahead and press that bell notification button. Maybe something that I say in the future with a video that you watch could actually, as small as it might seem, save your life. Number 1, cinnamon tea every single night. Cinnamon is one of those magical spices that you can put in everything, but if you prepare some tea every night, this could actually save your life. Not many people know that cinnamon is one of those drinks that are going to help eradicate the excess sugar you have in circulation, or is going to help also reduce cholesterol in circulation, triglycerides, fats, all of these to help the body stay leaner, for example, or your blood stay thinner, as a matter of fact, and actually help you with circulation with every single step of the way, preventing the formation of blood clots. The people that form more blood clots, that have more heart attacks, that have problems with strokes, are the same ones that are overweight, that have excess cholesterol, excess fat, excess sugar in circulation, and cinnamon is one of those options that you might want to think of taking every single night before going to bed. Now, at the same time, remember that if you're eating a lot before going to bed, this is going to add to the condition you're trying to face, you're trying to avoid. So stop, or maybe try not to eat something at night that is heavy. Try to eat something that is way lighter than that, like a salad, or maybe something that contains the smallest amount of fats, sugars, breads, pasta, etc. If you need supplements that are going to help you specifically with this situation, look for something like Clear Matrix, Metaglucose, Appleizer, or Berbrain, which is something I take every single night before going to bed because I know it helps my sugar control, my circulation, and keeps me healthy way more than you imagine. Look for them at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, drink plenty of water. Water is what? Water is what is contained in your blood, right? If you don't have water, you're probably dehydrated. There's less volume of blood overall, and therefore there's a greater concentration of sugar, cholesterol, triglycerides, and all of these factors that are going to form blood clots, that are going to put you at risk of a heart attack, of a stroke. And if you are one of those people who are not consuming enough water, you're one of those excellent candidate to have one of these conditions that we're trying to avoid. If you're not consuming enough water, you are at a higher risk of any of these conditions we're trying to face. You need to consume at least 8 glasses of water every day, or try to stay hydrated during the day, or at least take water at night before going to bed. 1 cup or 2 cups. It doesn't matter if you're going to wake up in the morning or at night just once or twice. The real situation here is for you not to get a stroke, a heart attack, the next morning because you don't have enough fluids and you're having a concentration that is greater than what you really need. Remember, water is vital. And if you're not consuming enough water, you're going to see a hell of a lot of conditions that you are trying to control that you're not being able to do so. If you need something natural, again, to keep your blood free of sugar, cholesterol, keep it healthy, keep it liquefied if you want, and in a way, trying to save yourself thrombi or any other condition, look for Garlic Gold, Heart Excel, Clear Matrix, and Metathyroid from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, eat lots of garlic before going to bed. Garlic is one of those magical tubercles or herbs or whatever you want to call it, onions, garlic. All of these are excellent to keep your blood flowing, to keep you from cholesterol sticking to your arteries, first of all. Also, reducing it in the bloodstream, helping you burn fat, helping you keep circulation solid and liquefied, and that way there's not a problem in forming blood clots. And garlic is excellent when you take them every single night before going to bed. You might want to take a capsule, a tablet of oil soft gel of garlic, and this is going to help enormously. If you're one of those people who wants to stay natural, well, go ahead and use olive oil with garlic every night. Olive oil is actually going to lower cholesterol, improve HDL cholesterol, improve circulation, and keep your brain healthy at night to keep you even smarter than what you were if you were not taking it at all. Remember, garlic is crucial, but what I'm going to teach you in a minute is actually a lot stronger than any of the ones I've just mentioned so far. If you need something natural for this purpose, look for Garlic Gold. Look for OnCardio Vein Flow, which will help you with varicose veins, which were one of those causes also of keeping those sediments and those thrombi forming, and then occasionally putting you at a greater risk of strokes and heart attacks. Look for them at finelandvitamins.com. Number 4, ginger tea every single night. Ginger tea is one of those gems, right? It's a gem because it just not only improves circulation, it also improves your thyroid function, your metabolic rate, your keeping your brain healthy, keeping you smart, keeping you well balanced with your hormones. Ginger is spectacular for just about anything. In fact, there are studies talking about ginger extending the life of people because of one of these factors: strokes, heart attacks, improving thyroid hormone balance, improving women, men, production of testosterone, of estrogen. Ginger does it just about everything. And there are other ingredients in nature that just do the same, that just don't have the same effect, but have similar effects that can help you if you take them with them. Like, for example, lemons, oranges, vitamin C. But if you stay with ginger every single night before going to bed, this will do the trick. Ginger is one of those gems, again. And if you take them every day, I guarantee that you will see the improvement, lowering your obesity, your fat, cholesterol, sugar, everything in your body, helping you a great deal. Don't forget to give this video a like button. Don't forget to share. And don't forget that something like Antioxy Pro, like Heart Excel, Garlic Gold, all these supplements contain ginger and other ingredients that have that same effect. God bless and take care.